Wow, okay, class. So, as you know, Wario has been abducted by the evil doctors because he got a very dangerous virus. Remember last time at the biology class? Wow, yeah, that was not very good. So, today we have to go to the hospital and break him free of the evil doctors. Are you actually kidding me, dude? Bro, so, okay, what you're saying is that one day we come back to school, it's a snow day, and we have to break Wario free from the hospital? He's in the hospital for. You know what? This is so stupid, it's not even funny. Oh, yeah, that's exactly right. So, today, we're going to sneak into the evil doctor's lair, aka the hospital. Man, I hate that place, it's so evil. And we're gonna go in there very sneakily through the corridors of doom. Be careful to avoid the evil doctors, because if they get you, you will die and you'll be executed. And so then we're gonna find Wario's prison cell, we're gonna break him free, and then we're gonna shoot all the doctors to kill them all, because I hate them because they're evil. Okay, is everybody clear on that? Okay, I gotta memorize every step, or else I will fail the unit assessment. Gotta memorize all of this. Okay, just gotta get into my brain cells and okay, I think I've got it. Alright, kiddos, let's go! Wow, okay, kids, so does everybody remember the super secret operation that we're about to do? Yes, but it's so stupid. It's not like we're going to prison to break out Wario again. I know the super secret operation. I know it. I'm gonna say it, okay? So first, we're going to secretly sneak into Wario's prison cell, and then we're going to rescue him, and after the rescue operation, we're going to shoot everybody in the hospital. It's gonna be a bit violent for me. I don't like violent games. Violent games are violent. My daddy said not to play violent games. Oh, wow, that's correct. It's a good thing we have our super awesome marksmen to help us shoot everybody down. Wow, Wario's gonna love this. Wow. Is that me? Am I the marksman? Oh, I love being the marksman. It'll be so awesome. Oh, yeah. You're really stupid. I have my Nerf blaster to shoot down the bad guys. Bro, this is like so stupid, dude. I mean, seriously, one, why do I not get to be the marksman? I mean, seriously, dude. Why do I not get to be the person who shoots everybody? Because I have a gun and I'm like a thief, you know? It's what I do. And two, why do we have to come back to school to go to a freaking hospital to rescue our teacher? He's in the hospital for a reason. It's not a prison cell like Junior said. This is so dumb, man. These people are retarded. I know, right? Koopa. What's the point of us being here? Okay, kids, next we're going to sneak very, very sneakily into Wario's prison cell where the doctors are holding him captive. Those evil doctors. I hate doctors. Wah, they're so evil. Oh, they scared me. One time they injected me with a needle. Okay, let's go. Let's go quietly, kids. Come on. Let's go. Sneaking. Wah, we're sneaking so quietly. Wah. Okay, let's sneak. Ow, get off of me. Sorry, it really hurt. We have to sneak, remember? I'm trying to. I have to tie my shoelaces. Hang on. Dude, what is actually the point of this? This is really stupid. We don't need to sneak. We're in a hospital. They don't care. It's not a prison. We're not breaking into prison. Yes, we are. We're secretly breaking in and we're doing the super secret operation. Yeah, this is like the dumbest rescue operation there's ever been. Like, we've already been noticed 10 times over by now. Yeah, we pretty much noticed you the first time. See? This guy right here is living proof. Yeah. Guys, be quiet. We're in enemy territory. We don't want them to notice us. Yeah. If we get spotted, we'll certainly be sent to the execution room. Oh my god, it's too violent. Dude, are you kidding me, bro? Why don't we just ask someone where Wario is? That's much more swag than doing whatever the heck this is. Do you need help? Yes, we need help. We need mental help. You do? Follow me right this way. No, I was joking. Don't joke about that. That's not a thing you should joke about. Are you kidding me? Alright, where the heck is Wario? Where's Wario been held? Where's Wario? He's right this way, sir. Just follow me. Alright, come on, guys, let's go. Nabbit, you've been spotted by the nefarious enemy. Oh my god. we're all doomed for certain death. Dry bones, don't be stupid. Actually, should have said that when you were born. That was a nice one, Koopa. Yeah, that was pretty good. Anyway, just follow Nabbit. The doctor's gonna take us to where Wario's. We don't have to do any of this stupid sneaking stuff. I mean, the doctors don't care if we're in the hospital. We're just coming to see Wario. It's like, this is so dumb. Come on, let's just follow him. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I guess you have a point. Wait up, guys! Wait, guys! What about the super secret operation? We have to do the sneaking. We have to sneak. Huh? Oh, I just guess it's better to follow them. Oh. Okay, so here is Wario. He has been infected with an extremely deadly virus, so don't get near. Well, what is it? It's called the Evil Virus. Bro, you couldn't have came up with a better name than that. That sounds really stupid. It's not stupid. Don't get near him. It's an evil virus. Man, that voice crack just hurt my ears so badly. I want to kill myself now. Wario! Wario! Oh my god, it's you! Wario! Oh, Waluigi, please don't tell me that's you. Wario! Oh my god, it's Wario! Wario, are you okay? I thought you died. I'm okay, Waluigi. I'm in the hospital. Why did you bring all the kids? They're gonna get sick. Yeah, we were going to, break you out of the super scaredy hospital because I thought the doctors were going to murder you with needles. Waluigi, you're so stupid. No, doctors, oh my god. You know what, Waluigi, why don't you just get out of here? No, Wario, we can't leave without you, so you have to come. Oh my god, why? Okay, fine. You know what, we'll go. We're gonna go, okay? God, alright, thanks, doctor, you've been nice. Yeah, thank you. Please don't hurt me with the needle again. It really hurt last time. Okay, come on, Waluigi, let's go. Okay. Oh my god, stupid idiot. Okay, bye, Wario. You know that virus is extremely contagious and dangerous, right? And you could die from it? You know that, right? Okay, he's gone. That was weird. Okay, kids, now time for the next step in the super secret operation. Oh, what's the step? What's the step? Are we doing the violent step? Please don't tell me we're doing the violent step. No, yes, we're doing the violent step, unfortunately. We have to do it. We already discussed it and stuff, and we already agreed upon it. No, it's too violent, no! Waluigi, you already saved me. What the heck are we doing next? Oh, right, this is the breakout operation. Yes, this one is very, very dangerous and violent, as Drybones just said. You see, this one, and we have to kill everybody in the entire hospital. Oh, that's my job. I get to kill somebody now? Oh, do I? Don't kill anybody. Okay. Die. I said not to kill anybody. Die. Oh, crap, dude. Junior, Koopa, we gotta get out of here now. Let's go. Junior, come on, we have to go. Let's get out of here. But he's shooting everybody. Exactly. That's why we have to leave. No, we have to save them. We're not heroes, Junior. Come on, let's go. Let's get out of here. Fine. Come on, let's go. Waluigi, stop him. He's insane. But I don't want to get close. Oh, that was a close one. Oh, this is so fun. I love this job. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Waluigi, was that fundamentally necessary to blow up the entire place? Oh, God. Oh, is everybody accounted for? 1, 2, 3, 4, 20. Okay, we're good. Ow, jeez, that really hurt. That hurt me. I took damage. Man, I told you guys this operation was stupid. Does anybody know what happened to Mooger and Leopard Dude? Huh.